Hey everyone, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Brad, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Osmo Pocket extension rod by DJI, so please be sure to stay tuned. So as I had mentioned, guys, today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Osmo Pocket extension rod. Pretty simplistic box here, as you can see, nothing to it. Here is the box, here's the Osmo Pocket itself to kind of give you a size comparison. Probably about half the size of the Pocket if you look at it. But we will get straight to the unboxing. So I already cut the lid, but you're going to go straight inside here. I have not unboxed this yet, nor do I know too much about it. I've seen one video. So we have the actual extension rod right here. I'm going to put it right here. What else is in the box? Some silicone gel, as well as the instructions. Otherwise, the box itself is empty. We'll put this off to the side over here. Not a whole lot to it. Take the foam piece off the end, and then take the seal off. First time seeing the Osmo Pocket extension rod. One thing I've wanted this product since I've seen it in their initial trailer video for the Osmo Pocket, before that even came out. And here we are in August, middle of August, and it has just been released. So there is the Osmo Pocket extension rod. I believe, let's see, this piece itself extends out. Looks like we have the phone holder right here. I'll tell you right off the bat, it's all very stiff, like it needs to be used and show wear and so it can move easier. It's definitely not easier to pull out. As you can see, you have all of the buttons right on the center here. Looks like about all the same things the Osmo Pocket can do. A phone holder, so it should be able to help, especially if you have the Wi-Fi base, and the entire extension rod. Actually, let me put this down and I'll put the Pocket right in it right now. We'll see how it is. The phone holder back down. Okay guys, as you can see here, I have the Osmo Pocket extension rod fully built out with the Pocket attached up top. Below that is the Wi-Fi base attached to it. I believe that is how it's cohesively supposed to work together, so it prevents cords from dangling around. In the center here is your cord, or is your phone holder. That is where you place your device to help see when it's extended at full length. As well as the buttons below that to help control the camera movement, since due to how it's mounted on there, you can't really have access to the buttons. But this is only the first part of the video here, so we'll see what's next. Okay guys, I know I told you that there would be a second part to this video. However, that second part is going to be in a following video. So please make sure to subscribe to see that video. And however, I'm walking around in the around the lake right now with the Osmo Pocket attached to the extension rod. As you can see with the drone I have off to the left of me there. But if you want to see what I'm doing in this second video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you can see more videos upon my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.